All right, everybody, totally buenos dias. Welcome to another traveling Costa Rica vlog. Today, we're just 15 minutes outside Grecia. We're going to be checking out the glamping here, Tierra Nueva. Really cool spot up in the mountains here. You can see it's starting to get a little bit overcast, starting to drizzle a little bit, but we'll try to get the video in. There's all these cool domes here. So we got 3 domes here we're going to be checking out. This is a great accommodations option if you're landing in San Jose at the SJO airport. It's just about like 45 minutes an hour from there. So a lot of people ask questions, I notice, right? They say, oh, is it worth stopping in San Jose anywhere? I think absolutely yes. There's a lot of places like this just up in the mountains. You can relax, great views, very green, farmers market nearby, town nearby. We're going to be checking out those things in this video series. But before we begin walking through here, let's talk about where this is in relation to the airport.
So we will start at the SJO airport, which is right in the middle of Costa Rica, just outside of San Jose. That's where you'll get your airport transfer rental car and start heading north. It's about 30 minutes to Grecia right there. And then you'll head 20 minutes on yonder into the mountains. So Grecia is on the way towards La Fortuna, making this a great detour for a night if you're heading north.
All right. And that will bring you right to this road right here. Now, I did this in my go-kart car, so you don't need like a 4x4 for this one. And you can arrive here with ease. So here's one of the domes. This is the first one. I just did a walkthrough with the owner. It's a pretty cool spot. So there's a little kitchenette outside. And now this is like a big dome. It's like kind of got slap that wood. Slap that wood. So here we are. So the bathroom's over here. I'll show you guys the bathroom first. There you go. Big tub. Nice. So I'm going to be staying here tonight. And I want to go into town and do some videos, right? There's a couple waterfalls nearby, I'm being told, so I want to check that out. Definitely check that out. Cool. All right. And then there's a balcony here. And the thing I love about this part of Costa Rica up by San Jose is just how green it is. It just stays green, I find. Very good climate up here. All right. Go back through. Now, guys, as we're leaving here, I just flew the drone up and let's see what this area looks like from the sky.
And we are off. Welcome to the drone flight. There's the property itself. Up on the top right, you can see the restaurant. We're going to be seeing that shortly. You can see a couple of the domes there. There's another dome down underneath the trees to the left. We'll be seeing that as well in the walking tour. Here we are looking at some of the fields. Those are coffee fields. So all these spines that are going up the hills with rivers between them are heading up towards the Poas volcano. And on them, there are a lot of coffee fields. I think Brit Coffee actually has a Poas blend. It's very delicious. And here it is. Look at how green it is. Very nice climate up here. Very cool. Very refreshing and super very nature.
All right. So I hope you enjoyed some of that drone footage from up here in the mountains. Starting to drizzle a little bit while we're filming here. So let's go. The path that actually goes down to the final domes is down that way. But we'll go check out the restaurant and the pool over here. First, there's another cabina here that can be rented out. So these guys have social media. They have a website you can check out to book if you're so interested. Check out this pool. I really like this pool. We've got maybe not be able to see in the video, but it's kind of like curved down. So not very like sharp edges. Pretty cool for sitting or whatever. Over here, this is an old bus, as I'm sure you can deduce. Got a restaurant. We got a restaurant here. Right here. Oh, nice to be in, man. Nice to be in, guys. There you go. Nice little sitting area in the bus. There's a washroom right over there. And an upstairs lounge type situation. I like it. Right up here. So check that out. Look at the view. Now from here, my understanding, I'm hoping I'm getting this right. Santa Ana is like way over there. So Santa Ana is like past the airport, I think. Alajuela is down there somewhere, I think, if I remember correctly. So here's some liquor. Oh, we got Tito's. We got some Tito's. What else we got? Those are nice. Cool little bar here. I like it. I like it. Interesting. Cool sitting area. So guys, I've seen a lot of comments asking, you know, again, is it worth staying somewhere in San Jose? Especially people that are going to La Fortuna. They're always asking, right? Should I just go right to La Fortuna? I think it depends. You know, if you just want to get right there and drive, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you're landing oftentimes in the afternoon and you don't want to drive at night, I always tell people, my friends and people they're asking on the channel, yeah, absolutely. Try to jump in somewhere like this, close to the airport. You can spend a night, just kind of unwind. You know, you don't got to be rushing to get to La Fortuna or the beach before nightfall. Because driving at night here does kind of suck. It's not a great thing. And you could also stay here for longer, right? There's farmers market we're going to check out. So in this little video itinerary, we'll do obviously here. We'll do the town of Grecia and the farmers market. I like to do at least one other thing. Like whether it be a waterfall, river, some kind of natural thing. So here's the second dome right here. Look at really well-groomed property, well-maintained. Super nice. So there's one dome. We won't check out that one. We'll skip that one. I'm staying in this one down here tonight. I love it though. Look at this. Oh, what are those? We've got fruits, little lime skis. Oh yeah, there's one. Nice. Squeeze that right in your water. Squeeze that in the old bottle. These ones are a little bit more ripe. Is that the word? I know some people have been jacking me up because I'm just like, guys, I'm not a food vlogger. I'm not a food person. I will show you the things, and if you know what they are, then Bob's your uncle. There's a nice little sitting area. We'll finish the video right there. Actually, I'll show you this one though. Look at all these bananas. Nice. That's a lot of bananas. Look at this. This is cool. I love this. I love this stuff. Right under the trees. So there's a big jacuzzi tub here. Little mini fridge. Coffee machine. I love coffee. Here's the room. Very cool. Look at the decor in here. Big bed. My fan. I love it. I love it, guys. Look at the view from your bed. Incredible. Incredible. I like it a lot. All right, cool. There's a bathroom. All right, so you get a natural view. What a great view. There's a river down there you can hear. So I like that at night. I like staying in a place where you can hear the river at night. So guys, if you enjoyed that video, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe. As always, leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests for more videos during the travels here in Costa Rica. Stay tuned to the future videos. This will be the first one. We're going to do some more from this area. Really nice area, really green. We're here in October. Those will be up soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.